In this session, we're going to talk about negative numbers, how to add, subtract, times and divide them. Using a number line can help with negative numbers because you can see where the numbers are on the number line. So first thing we could have to do with negative numbers is order them. So we need to look for the biggest negative number, so the one that is the furthest down the number line. So for this example, we need to look at the biggest negative number, so the one that is furthest down the number line. So here we have minus 11. That would be the smallest because it's the coldest. Then it would be minus 8. Then into the positives would be 13, and then the biggest would be 20. A number line can help you when you're adding and subtracting negative numbers because it helps you to visualise how many jumps you need to take to get to the answer. For example, if we've got minus 3 and we're adding 4, we can start at minus 3 on our number line, and all we need to do is jump 4 spaces. So as you can see, that gets you to the answer of 1. Another example, minus 4 take away 6. So we're starting at minus 4 on the number line, and we have to go back 6. So that gets us to negative 10. When you are adding and subtracting, sometimes you might have a plus and a minus next to each other. For example, 3 minus positive 2. When plus and minus are in a battle together, the minus always wins. It's the most powerful of the operations. If you come across two negatives next to each other, for example, 7 minus minus 6, two negatives together make a positive, so we would change this to 7 plus 6, which is 13. For multiplication and division, a similar sort of thing happens. If we're multiplying two positives, our answer is positive. If we're multiplying a positive and a negative, because negative is more powerful, that's the one that wins, so our answer will be negative. If you're multiplying two negatives, they go together to make a positive, so your answer will be a positive. And the same goes for division. For example, minus 12 times 5. So we can first think about what is 12 times 5. That's 60. Then we've got one minus and one positive. So the minus is going to win here, so our answer will be minus 60. Another example, minus 15 divided by minus 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. But then I've got two minuses. Two minuses make a positive, so my answer will be positive 5. So to recap, out of positive and negative, the negative will always win. It's more powerful. If you have two negatives together, they make a positive.